Hear that? Rain, wind. It's yucky outside. And then I thought, hey, what a perfect day to go fishing. You thought. Well, what my hope is, we're going to take you to where we caught the big fish. There were other people around. I'm thinking today, most people won't venture out to go fishing. Well, of course. So we're wearing our waders, we're going to put on our ski jackets, and we're going to see if we can catch some more big fish for this video today. Here we are, guys. Two dummies.
So dumb.
Take
I
one
just
net.
have to go with to make sure you're safe.
Swing it out. Gotta get through that pile later. Puddle later. Look at that, guy. Right now the goal is to not fall in. Whoa! Alright guys, see what happens here. Yeah, get the net. No, I'm not kidding. Come on, baby. First cast. First cast. Get her down there. Get her down there. Got myself a nice brown. Look at that. Look at that. First cast, guys. First cast. First cast. Sorry, guy. Get this out. Get this through there. Through there. Hold that up. Everybody see this guy? Nice fish. Brown. A little release here. Oh. Get him in the water. There you go. I told ya. Yeah, but I got one. First cast. Oh, I got hit. Woo, that's a bigger brown. Look at that, guys. This brown. Look at him. Wow, he's nice. Whoa, I'm gonna lose my net. He's real nice. Got one. You filming? Yeah. What? You're done? No hook? Is there one on the, there's one on the rock. Oh, okay. We're good. We bring in this fish. Woohoo! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Whoa. Oh, get the net. I'm gonna let him run. Stand it to me, I can get him. I think I can get him. Hey, this is 3 big browns in a row. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, guys. Look at this fish. No, I'm not keeping him. But he's a great fish. Ugh. Let's go, guy. Ready? Thank you. What were you saying? Are we done? So glad we got out though. Wow! Man, that was amazing.
I hope that guy does.
I hope he can get out too.
Subscribe, like, and comment on this video for a chance to win our February 2019 giveaway. A Bass Pro Shops gift card. Visit website for more details. edandedgofishing.com.